What's up YouTube, JP here. So today we have my beautiful wife's 2019 Mercedes CLA 250. It's a 4MATIC. For this video today, simple maintenance video. We're going to show you guys how to get your oil change done. Today's products we're going to be using is Liquid Moly. Again, we're not affiliated with anyone. We're not sponsored by anyone. We'll be using Liquid Moly 040. And we've got our oil filter all supplied through FCP Euro. Let's get this video started. Alright, so the first step, you guys are going to remove your skid plate to get to the oil drain plug. You're going to have 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts. So we'll go ahead and get that out of the way. Alright, so here is your oil drain plug. We're going to go ahead and remove that. It's going to be a 13mm. Make sure you have a bucket ready.
I got it. Wait, I think I tightened it.
Just let this continue to drain.
Okay, you guys, if you ordered your kit through FCP Euro, they give you a new drain plug and gasket.
So you guys are going to want to tighten your drain plug, your new drain plug, with your gasket, your crush washer. You want to make sure you don't over tighten these. So run it in by hand. Get your wrench on there. And then you're just gonna go till it's snug and give it about an 1/8 to 1/4 turn, and that's about it. Alright, you guys, make sure you put your under shield back in and tighten it down. Alright, next step, lower the vehicle down. If it's on a lift, you're gonna remove your dipstick. I already have mine removed here. Pull your dipstick out, and then you're going to remove your dust shield, your engine cover, set that off to the side, and then you're going to gain access to your oil filter, which will be the back of the engine, front of the intake, near the timing cover. This is your oil filter housing. Alright, we'll remove that oil filter housing. It's a 1 1/16 bolt. Probably can translate to something like a 32mm or something, but this is what I had on hand, readily available. So you can go ahead and take it out. Make sure you guys got some rags. Set it down on your work table, and we'll go ahead and get the filter housing changed. So you guys will just apply pressure on the filter element itself. It'll pull straight off this shaft here. The kit will come with 3 new O-rings. You'll have 1 O-ring on your cap, 1 baby O-ring here, and then if we move that out of the way, you have your medium O-ring here. So small, medium, large. So get yourself a little pick, flat screwdriver. There'll be a little cutout. Get under your O-ring, and you're just gonna walk it off. There it goes. And you do the same thing to those two.
All right, just make sure that your rubber end goes toward the end of the shaft.
So make sure you guys either use engine oil. I use a assembly lubricant. It's kind of like a Vaseline jelly, but we'll put it on your O-rings just so they're not dry and don't get caught up as it goes back in. You'll just run that filter back in as much as you can by hand, and then you'll tighten it down. There is a torque spec on the top of the cap, so make sure you guys pay attention to your torque spec and don't over tighten them. The caps are known to crack. Go ahead and refill your oil. It calls for, from what I found online, 5.6 to 5.8 liters. Once you guys get your oil filled, you'll replace your engine cover, get all four corners to click, and then don't forget to put your oil dipstick. Alright you guys, for the oil change reset, I'm sure there's a way to do it through the factory system, but for the oil change I'm using my Autel Maxi system. We just go in here, go to oil life reset. It'll give us what we need to do to reset it. Active tests. Reset general maintenance. There you go. Okay. Reset general maintenance. F1. That concludes the video on the Mercedes. Think about liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.